Understanding the e-gift card, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and modern concept, e-gift cards. These digital tokens are becoming increasingly popular, but what exactly are they? Let's explore together in this video. Remember, we will break it down simply, so it's easy to understand, even if English isn't your first language. An e-gift card is essentially a digital version of a traditional gift card. Unlike physical gift cards that you can hold in your hand, an e-gift card exists entirely online. It's like a special code that you can use to buy things on the internet or sometimes in stores. E-gift cards are often sent via email or through a text message. When someone buys an e-gift card, they select a specific amount of money to put on the card. This amount is then sent electronically to the recipient. The recipient receives an email or text with a unique code or a link. When they shop online or in some physical stores, they can use this code to reduce the price of their purchase by the amount on the card. It's a simple and convenient way to give someone a gift. E-gift cards have several benefits. They are easy to send and receive, making them a convenient gift option. There's no physical card to lose, as everything is stored digitally. They are environmentally friendly, as there's no physical production or shipping involved. Many e-gift cards offer customization options, like adding a personal message or choosing a design. While e-gift cards are great, there are a few things to keep in mind. Always check for expiry dates, as some e-gift cards can expire. Be aware of where the card can be used. Some are only valid in specific stores or online platforms. Security is important. Make sure to buy e-gift cards from reputable sources to avoid scams. E-gift cards are a modern, digital way of giving someone the freedom to choose their own gift. They are convenient, safe, and eco-friendly, making them an excellent choice for many occasions. I hope this video helps you understand what e-gift cards are and how they work. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been informative for your English learning journey.